Take care. What's me? Stay in. I'll be right here.
Yeah.
Yes, it's pretty good. It's fucking delicious.
Delicious. Second time I've had it this week.
Okay.
Highly recommend the kebab wrap.
Okay.
So it's like a gyro, but like big old chunks of meat.
Okay.
Calamari is pretty good. Their potatoes, the papas bravas, they're like garlicky potatoes.
Pretty
Make
good.
love for your face.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Cool.
no,
Cool.
they're great. They're great, and they're also nice people too.